The Verkada Access Control team just announced a bunch of very cool features, and I wanted to take a minute and create a video just to run you across some of the interesting things that will actually be released in the coming weeks. First of all, starting with the ability to unlock gates using license plates. Once this becomes available without any license, if you do have a gate and a license plate recognition camera, you'll be able to turn on the functionality. This is done on a per door perspective, and then define under different user profiles the license plates associated, and define per user the license plate information of each of your employees. And you can do that obviously with things such as CSV export and import. Because we're talking about information, I also wanted to mention that finally the access control APIs are also live. So they will give you the ability not only to create, modify, and delete users and any characteristics that they might have, but also be able to subscribe to webhooks when it comes to events and alerts. They'll give you the ability to define, create, modify, delete users and any parameters that go in a user profile, but also subscribe to event webhooks. So in case you have a software, for example, for time and attendance, or you're looking to understand the occupancy of a certain office or room, you'll be able to programmatically extract that information in real time and process it into your back end. Another exciting update is that of in and out badging. So this is the ability to get users not only to badge in, but also to tap their cards or do Bluetooth unlock when they get out. Most doors don't need that. They will have a REX button or an infrared one to allow people to get out. But from a secure area, you might want users to also badge out. Previously, this was possible, but it was never a clean solution. So you had to use two separate cassettes, define two separate doors, and kind of correlate the events yourself. Now, although you still need two separate door ports for each of the components, you will have virtually one door into command that tells you not only who badged in and out, but also their direction of travel. As you know, access control is licensed per door, and a door that's set as in and out will still just consume the one license. And this is simplified compared to our previous model where you'd had two doors and then you had to get a special discount for the second door license. Another two small updates is the ability to configure and schedule reports. So that's done automatically once you set your desired structure and the emails that the report has to go to, and the ability to plot doors on floor plans. If you remember, we started with floor plans as a way to plot cameras and do people heat maps. Then we introduced sensors, and now we're also bringing doors to it as well. So the floor plan does evolve in this feature that works across all our products. I'm going to drop some important links for you to read below. And if you're already an existing customer, you should be seeing these changes as they roll towards the end of August. And obviously, if you have any questions, do get in touch with us or just drop me a comment.